Okay, hey folks, Terry Brown here. I want to thank you so much for taking a few moments of your time to check out this video. I'm introducing Nexus Rewards in case you've never heard of it. I'm going to share a little bit about Nexus Rewards, but I'm also going to leave a link in the description area of this video so that you can go watch another video, real quick information video overview of this incredible program. Okay, but this Nexus Rewards is a cutting edge program that enhances your purchasing power while creating new income streams. Okay, a very vital business opportunity. It's low cost but high profit potential opportunity. Okay, so let's look at this together. Okay, unbeatable savings, access huge discounts and savings on everyday essentials. Cut your cost. Let our bill reduction experts save you hundreds, even thousands of dollars a year on your existing expenses. Exclusive VIP travel club. Save up to 50% on your hotel and travel needs. And I'm about to use that in just a few weeks. I'm going out to Texas and going to spend time with family out there. My granddaughter's graduating from high school, on her way to college. She's a very smart young lady, and she is, got a scholarship to go to school. We're so proud of her. So we're going to go out there and, spend some time with family out in Texas. Okay. So, cashback rewards, earn up to 6% cashback on purchases you are already making, turning spending into extra money. Okay. And, one of the things I love about this program is that it is a low cost entry into the program. It's like $49 one time out of pocket, and then $10 a month. And then we have a basic program where you just pay $10 a month. Okay. And then you'll be able to participate in the matrix portion of the program. But I'm gonna leave a link to a video that you can watch, and be sure to do that. Okay. If you have an interest. All right. One other thing I want to share with you in this video. Okay, so let's look at this together. Nexus Rewards can help you create a sustainable income stream that enables you to achieve financial independence. Our breakthrough strategies are designed to provide long-term stability and peace of mind. Program benefits: save, earn, and enjoy, all through one affordable, easy to use platform. Okay, join us. Exclusive opportunity to get cash back and earn at the same time, paving the way for long-term financial security. Okay, so another thing I love about this program is that you're able to earn immediate income as well as residual income. Okay, but again, there will be a link in the description area of this video. Check out the video on the page that I'm going to send you to, and then make a decision whether or not this is something for you. Okay, I believe if you get a good look at it, I believe you will think that it is something for you. Also going to have some bonus information there as well. So check things out. Okay, I'm Terry Brown. I'm wishing you a blessed and amazing day today. Bye-bye now.